This video explains how to buy shares of Brockhaus Technologies AG, listed on Xetra under the ticker BKHT.DE. Brockhaus Technologies AG develops industrial engineering solutions and precision systems. This is an educational guide and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which typically requires an identity document, and you must add funds before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BKHT.DE to find the listing. Select the result that matches Brockhaus Technologies AG and confirm you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for BKHT.DE. Check the company name, exchange Xetra, and the ticker to ensure this is the right asset. To buy, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to put in, review the order details, and then confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued and executed when trading reopens. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After the trade, you will see the new position in your portfolio. For a direct link to eToro and more information, check the description below.